Hey, my name is Nathan Greenland, and I own a company called Nature Preserves. We really care about nature! My company, Nature Preserve's main goal is to provide protection for the environment from big, mean, scary men who try to cut down the trees.
I've loved nature since I was a kid.
And I hope you can too! You're wondering how you can donate to Nature Preserves to help us. It's simple. You just stop by my granddad's house on Tuesdays. He's right. Take a left.
Oh,
I got one more thing to say. So preserve your nature today!